Uh, all I gotta fucking say is, like, whoever got a fucking Xbox 360, I mean, no, 360, Xbox One, and know how to put Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 miles on that bitch. Like, I already got the USB hooked up, ready to go. But yeah, I fucking downloaded the fucking Xenoverse pack and the installer, all that shit there, all on my, ain't even placed that bitch in the right folder on my fucking USB. But every time I look up, I'm trying to fucking do this shit on my fucking Xbox One, and that shit ain't working. So, do anybody that got an Xbox One and know how to put this shit on there, like, make a video or whatever you gotta do to show people how to put that bitch on there. Cause it's easy for the PS4 to get that shit on PS4 or whatever. But on the Xbox One though, bruh, fuck that research shit. Fuck all that damn Google shit. Like, y'all is not putting enough fucking information or videos how to put this shit on there. Besides PS4. Of course it's easy on the PS4. But damn, make it easier for everybody who got an Xbox One. Like, seriously. Like, damn, y'all making it complicated. Then act like it's so fucking easy talking about, oh, you can do this on PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. Like, damn, somebody upload a fucking video about it. Or something, my bro. Damn, don't be just all fucking juiced up just cause you got the motherfucker. So what? Everybody else want the same shit. But damn, show everybody how to fucking do it on a different console instead of just all on the fucking PS4. Everybody know what to do on the PS4. Duh. Somebody do something new. Like, damn, show how to put on the PS fucking 3 or the fucking Xbox 360. Like, damn. Why everybody gotta make shit so fucking hard? Like, damn, most of y'all motherfuckers doing this shit on PC. Of course it's gonna be easy on PC or fucking computer. Yeah. Duh. But damn, actually console though, do that on there. Make a video. Not no short video. Like, show the fucking step-by-step process of doing this shit. Period. I mean, damn, I ain't. Yeah, I'm upset cause shit, man. Like, I'm looking at all this bullshit. I'm on Google and on YouTube. Ain't nobody really saying how to fucking put this shit on there. Like, serious. So just upload a video. That's all.